Here is my own car. This is Toyota Eco. I'm going to start it. So let us see what's the problem with this. Here is my security. You can see security is blinking and key is in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it. You can see everything is coming, all lights, everything is okay, and security light is still blinking. I'm going to crank it. It is going on cranking, but it is not starting. So there is some problem with the security. Here, this car needs a security reprogramming. But what I am going to do is, I'm not going to reprogram the security. Instead, there is a fault, which is in my experience, I'm going to solve it in the engine compartment. So let us see how I'm going to solve it. Here is my fuse box. As you can see, I'm in the engine compartment now. Here is my fuse and relay box. Here you can see one relay which is marked as EFI relay. Of course it is here. Here this relay is marked as EFI, and EFI relay is of course this one. This I'm going to exchange with some other relay. From here I will exchange another relay to this point, and this EFI relay, while I will change it, the car will start. It will solve the security problem. So let us see how it is. So I removed this relay. You can see standard 4-pin relay. This is somewhere from Denso. So I'm going to remove this one. Let us see, this is also 3-pin, 4-pin of, sorry. So I'm going to install this one and look for the security. I just swapped these. Now let us see. So now as you can see, security is blinking, key is off. I'm going to put the key in. Now security went and I will be able to start the car. So I'm going to crank, switch it on and crank it. Let us see the car is starting or not. So the car has been started. Everything come normal. There is no more security. This is what is one tip of me. This problem has been come in my experience with this Eco. So if something is coming to you with your Eco or your Yaris or Toyota Corolla, you can do the same thing with your car also, and you can save a lot of money from saving from the programming. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching and share with your friends.